To fix the issue of PrizePicks not being available in your location, follow these steps. First, understand that PrizePicks is a fantasy sports platform that offers real money contests, but its availability is limited to certain regions due to regulatory restrictions. Step 1. Check the PrizePicks website for a list of supported states or regions. As of now, PrizePicks is available in more than 30 states in the US. But this information can change, so always verify the current list. Step 2. If you are outside the supported areas, consider using a virtual private network or VPN. A VPN can mask your IP address, making it appear as though you are accessing the site from a different location. However, be aware that using a VPN to circumvent geographic restrictions may be against the terms of service of some platforms. Step 3. Ensure your device's location settings are accurate. Sometimes, PrizePicks may use your device's location to determine your eligibility to use the platform. Make sure your location settings are turned on and that your device has the correct location. Step 4. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. Outdated or corrupted data can sometimes interfere with the platform's ability to determine your location correctly. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve this issue. Step 5. Contact PrizePicks support if none of the above steps work. The support team can provide more specific guidance and help you troubleshoot the issue. They may request additional information to verify your location or provide updates on when the platform will be available in your area. In conclusion, fixing the issue of PrizePicks not being available in your location requires checking the platform's supported regions, considering the use of a VPN, ensuring accurate device location settings, clearing browser cache and cookies, and contacting support if necessary. By following these steps, you can determine the best course of action to access PrizePicks from your location.